I'll go into profitability over here. So profitability, everyone wants to know the bottom line, right? It's a my one of my old bosses said, we don't work for fun, right? We work for but if it's fun as well, then we don't have to we enjoy it more, right? Which I think is a good way of thinking about work at the end of the day.
Yes.
So in this here, right, we got two, right? So we've got our current and we've got our comparison period here. So you can see the base and latest report May. These are actually the same period. Apparent apologies. I'll do a different comparison period.
Hmm.
So that should be good just to change it up a little bit. Cool. So we can look at a very easy overview looking type of P&L. So we can look at the expenses, the metrics. I'll kind of pause here for the video just so you can kind of look through it yourself on the video for those joining.
Hmm.
And then what we can do is we can also make it a very detailed P&L as well, right? Which can go really deep into the real into the details of it, right? We can see kind of
Hmm.
expenses,
Hmm.
profit, and then go a bit deeper into the metrics, right?
Just curious, look, here on this part, like for example, with the profit, I assume that there's a place within Merchant Spring to add, let's say, the cost of goods, right? So then we can obviously get these numbers correct. These, of course, for like refunds and cancellations, this is coming from the platform itself, but to kind of eventually do some profit calculations, there's like place to just add the price of the goods,
Spot on. Yeah.
cost
So
of goods.
that's one of the only things we don't get from Amazon, right? We don't get your cost of goods. So that's something that you as a seller or an agent or a brand or whatever, you have to upload that yourself. We can do it very
Mm-hmm.
easily again for a CSV file. It's a
Mm-hmm.
CSV upload. But yeah, you're spot on with that one. Good point. Good
Mm-hmm.
point. I missed that one out, my friend. As I go through, we can also download this as well, right? If you want to make a download and then I don't know, send it to someone or save it on your drive. I mean, I guess part of the idea of Merchant Spring is we're able to consolidate it there, so we can keep it there. Um, but if that's something you want to do, obviously we can do that as well.
Mm-hmm.
On the side here, we got monthly profit as well. It's very similar, right? Just broken down more of a monthly basis, right? So it looks very
Mm-hmm.
similar, but is kind of the same in a lot of ways. And then we also have product profit as well, right? Now, this is where we can really see per product the profit metrics in that product. So, ship product sales, refunds, reimbursements, promotions, other income, advertisement, so on and so forth. And then here we can go. You can see this is where we'd be editing our
Mm-hmm.
cost of goods manually, or we can do it as a bulk upload. And then we go across and then we can see our P&L over here where we can break it down into an individual metric.
Mm-hmm.
You can download it again at the top, and this
Mm-hmm.
is everything you'd want to see in the profitability side of things.